Greetings everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Saffron and Cypher's channel.
Yay!
Alright, so today we have Majungasauruses, and we will be discussing the new Chaos Theory Majungasaurus Major. Alright, so let's check the box. It is a wild roar. Alright, here we go. We already have the three of these. We haven't reviewed any of them yet, but hopefully next will be the, I would say, this Parasaurolophus. Yep, it has Rocky's symbol. It's a mountain, so it has a sound. You see that? But first, we will go to the original Majungasaurus from Primal Attack. I'm glad it still has a sound. You shake the tail and it starts moving. The mouth does not open though. You do it yourself. And I just finished this today. I custom paint Majungasaurus Major. So yeah, look at that, huh? Compared to the original Major right here. I just finished it just right now, guys. So anyways, the color inspired me from Proxy. I saw it over there. His Chaos Theory Season 2. So it still works. See, look at that. See, it still works, guys. It still chumps. So yep, there's the color. I mix it black and gray. And then this yellow part was actually not just yellow, it's also light mocha with yellow. So there you go. Not bad. Now we will open our major Majungasaurus. Alright guys, let's check it out. Alright, there he is. He got tiny arms. We will bring out the tail. Alright. Alright, so we got the tail out. Let's put it in. There you go, snaps. Let's check the DNA scan. There you go. Now we turn the wheel. Oh yeah. Let's check the mouth. Teeth looks nice. Very nice. Let's put this aside. Now we will compare to the custom paint. There you go. There you go. Whoops, I don't want to scratch it. I just finished it today. So yeah. Yeah. Very nice. Oh yeah. So there you have it. So for some reason Mattel decided to sculpt a new Majungasaurus. They didn't stick with the original one. I would still prefer the original, even though it's smaller and skinnier. Oh wait a second, the body seems the same. But this one got a little taller and chunkier though. In a different head sculpt now. So you can see that. I wish they added that lower quills on its neck and tail. Right here, even the legs. This Major doesn't have it. Nothing. A totally new sculpt. So yep, don't know what's going on there. And there's a DNA scan for this original Majungasaurus. So yeah. There you have it. Yeah, of course, we'll check the arms. So for some reason, the original has 3 fingers. The newer one has 4 fingers now. But at least it's still a tiny arms though. It doesn't feel like a Majungasaurus anymore. Totally different. So yeah. Well, it's recreation, so. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Our Majungasaurus. Alright guys. And here's one last chance for the custom paint today. There you go. This one's just light mocha here. Then I mix it with yellow. It became like this. So yeah, we have 3 Majungasaurus now. Pretty sweet. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, there you have it for today, guys. Thank you so much. And don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and click that bell for more awesome content for the next one. Alright guys, you guys have a great one. Bye for now.